Sit comfortably in chair. Place hands on the shoulders, right hand, right shoulder, left hand, left shoulder. Fingers in front, thumbs in the back. Inhale and twist the torso left, and then exhale and twist the torso right. Keep the chest lifted high with the chin level to the ground. Let the head follow the shoulders. This exercise loosens and tones the waist and the torso. It opens up the nerve channels on either side of your spine. When you do this exercise, it is good to gently challenge yourself, but never to the point of pain. You can modify this exercise to your needs by changing the range of motion.